I've come here to say poorly to the family of Kaka. I know many of you are surprised I'm here. I'm very happy to have seen the family set up here. You know, I'm there with 3 wives. This is what I've been dreaming about. And you see, the 3 wives, they are very close with each other. You know, I came in, I said hi to the first one. The second one, I can see they are in a happy mood. Despite the fact of losing one of them. And I can see the brothers and sisters. That's why I was insisting to ask Kaka, are they from his mom or they are from all the mothers? You know, when the family has love, the children, they don't feel they are from different mothers, which is a very good thing. You know, we are all born differently. We have different characters. If the moms are not united, the family, the young ones, the children will start hating each other. I'm happy they are all here and they are supportive. Governor, I went to a fundraising at Nyakoi. When he was on the way home, I called him. I told him I want to go to see Donya's family. He asked me, are you sure? I told him yes, and I already brought shopping. I've told Steve to call. I'm waiting for her to arrive home. So Governor said, Kaka has been our friend. Forget about the politics of Donya. You go and see the family. So I have all the blessings from the governor. Even Mheshimiwa Donya. She was my very close friend. Very close. She used to text me almost every week. If we don't meet, we must talk. I'm sure I was more close to her than Kaka. I know. Now, over a sudden, one day morning, I woke up. I was told I've become an enemy of Donya. So I started re-looking at the messages we used to send to each other. I wondered, what have I done? But you know politics. Mheshimiwa Donya has just joined politics. I'm not a politician. But I've been with governor for all these years. I've been having enemies. I've been having friends. Friends become enemies. Enemy become friends. It's very normal with politics. But with my life, I believe their friendship should not be interfered with politics. Because politics, you will hear all manners of stories. Mheshimiwa Arika was my enemy. Richmond, I had to hate him. Even himself knows. I allow you to be a problem. Even the chief officer is here. This one, we crashed the non-thermal. This one I never liked him, you himself knows. But today when I found that they were seeing governor and they were waiting, I said, let me carry them. At least when we are not contributing, they will add me something. So that is politics. When it comes to death, or anything of the loved one, we put aside all our differences. Those differences will not help us. Let us mourn for the mom who has passed away. After the funeral, we can fight again.
First lady said you were supposed to attend matanga that is up there because they will obviously know that you are here.
But the Kaka told me it's one family.
Yeah, it is, but now they are mourning two people.
I will come tomorrow. I didn't come with shopping. I came with one.
But I know you will go there. So, Washimiwas and our neighbors, our friends, and the relatives who are here, thank you for standing with us. I'm so delighted that we are smiling. In most cases, people could be wailing. We've accepted what has happened and we leave it to God. So now that you're going, let me wish you a safe journey and thanks a lot for coming. First Lady, Kaka takes like you said we were more close. If I agree to that, he will send me away and I don't want to go anywhere. So I will say we are 70% with him because since I go to these homes, I've never left. Even if during politics they were saying I hired him. My parents are there, they can confirm I've never left this home. It's the normal politics that you've said, and it's good when people speak. Even this entire time when he has been going to school, they were saying that I've sent him away. But he is doing some work to better his life. They will always speak. So my friend, you said...
Okay, I think after this, you know,
I just imagine it's still speaking. Which one? Asanteni sana kila mtu. Si mumefurahia. Sasa tuta release mama. I will ask chair. Oh chair, you played that time. Magdalene, can you play for us?
Somebody pray.
she's praying.
Yeah, she's praying.
Or
you finish.
Wait, I wanted to ask. Are we finishing here or we're going down to the
Oh, yeah. Sorry, we can go. Finalize from there. Even the final prayers can be made from there.
When it comes to you, it becomes so weird. So wale mmekuja kutembelea
Well, come to say Pole to the family of Kaka. You know, I'm supposed to say the family of Mheshimiwa Donya, but I think I'm used with saying the family of a man. Because the home is for Kaka. And please receive the greetings from Governor Simba Arati. We have already spoken at home. I'm remaining with very few things. I've already come with a small shopping. I'm sure Kaka will make sure people are fed by Mheshimiwa Donya. And I want to leave something behind for the family to continue prepare for the funeral arrangements. That's why I've come with so many people. so that they can boost me up. Especially this chair of ours called a Bible. I can see he's trying to provoke Moshima Donya. He must have also bribed Richmond. And your Aurora. He's a you know me, I have no problem. As long as you have a big title. Make sure your pocket is also heavy. And Kaka, you look for me something to carry. You need to prepare so that when that thing comes, you just stand and be. No problem. Where is the chief officer? They can't even go. Moshima Richmond from Bogota.
I didn't talk to the last.
Yes, no, you took the list.
Oh, okay. I talked to the list, so I give the list to man.
We start with the I told you to prepare.
Man.
Bring out everything. You know I don't take it. You must start with something good. 3,000. Moshima Steve Arika. You are called what? May?
I'm called May. But from today,
Why?
as long as I know, no, I'm not from you. Because Steve, I'm not a filler, so I can invest in
How much?
First time.
Kaka, we pay and test now. Send to who?
0720.
Confirm receiving. 0720.
Wait.
I put for you because you are old.
Yeah, I know that. That's why I.
How much is the balance?
No balance. 0720
068
068
659.
5,000. No, send it.
Yes, confirm.
Confirm.
Yes.
Thank you. If you found the Simba is not working, look for him. What's my error? 5,000? No, wait. You see 3, 5? You are a mathematician. Yes. No, the stairs are going up.
Let me send 5 and give cash.
Okay. How much cash? No, you have not seen the print. Yes. 7,000 was my error. Confirm receiving. Now let me come to Vincent. I have 50,000 from Governor Simba Arati. Yeah. Now let me ask the officers. If they not governor, they top up. We start with. What kind of chair, 94. 106. Kaka Mary.
I have 30,000.
30. 136. So now, allow me to leave, and I wish you all the best.